Hi everyone, on today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you on how to make a cow kaftan dress. The measurement you are going to be needing is our full length. Our full length is 57, but the measurement here now is 58 and a half. 1 inches will be for the bending and 1 inches will be for the shoulder joining. So now the measurement I have here now is my hip length, my hip line. The hip line is 24. From the shoulder to the hip line I use 24, and from the shoulder to the knee length I use 38. So now I've draw the line out. So after this I will take my neck measurement. I don't want it to be too wide, so I want to use 3 by 3 inches. 3 by 3 inches. So now you draft it out like this. You draft it out like this. Give the neck curve out this way. So now from here you measure. You will now come down by 1 inches downward or 1.5 inches downward for the shoulder slope. So from here you slope it to the neck side. You slope it to the neck side. The chalk is not showing because it's a net materials. So now from the knee length, her hip is 46. Her hip is 46. So now 46 divided by 4, 11 and a half. So now I'm going to add 1 inch to it, which is 12 and a half. I don't want it to be big or too small. This is the 12 and a half here. So now from here you curve it to this place. From here you curve it this way to this place. So now this is 12 and a half I use it. The down part I'm going to add 1.5 inches to it, which is 12 and a half plus 1.5, making 14 inches. I don't want it to be straight. I want it to be 8 shape at the down part. So now you trace it like this down. You trace it like this down, like this way. So now all you have to do is to cut it out. Now start off cutting from here this way. You cut it. So now from here you start your cutting from here also. This because from your shoulder slope downward, you cut it to the next side this way. So this is it. So now I'm going to cut out the neck, the front neck. So now we are done cutting the front panel. So now I've used the front panel, the front, to cut the back. So I've traced it out from the shoulder to the down part. So now this is the neck distance. So now I'm not going to use 3. You can use 3 by 3 also for the front and the back if you wish to. So if you want to turn down the neck after joining, you can use bias to turn the neck. You can use anything you wish to turn it. After joining, you turn the neck. So now what I want to do here is here you can take your sleeve opening from here, or you take it from here. You can take your sleeve opening from here before joining. So now if I'm using this place, I want to make use of this place. The sleeve opening I want to use for here is 8 or 6 or 7, anyone. So this is we now launch it like this. You launch it like this. So this is it. Okay. You sew your shoulder, you hem it, and sew the down parts and hem the down parts. So I will show you the picture after everything. After sewing, I've turned the leg with bias. So now these are cow kaftan dress. You see the little straps. By the way, the straps very lovely. You can rock it to any way you want, and thanks for watching.